Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites, your user account, role permissions, and two-factor method. Once confirmed, open the pharmacy software and connect to the secure network, then enter credentials and complete multi-factor authentication. Make sure to select the correct store profile and database instance so records match your physical inventory. You will be prompted to sync the drug catalog. Accept incremental sync to avoid delays. This gets you immediately into the main dashboard, where patient lookup and prescriptions are available for processing. You locate the patient using name, date of birth, or pharmacy ID, confirm allergies and active medications. Once the profile is open, enter the prescription details, medication name, strength, dosage, directions, quantity, and refills. After entry, run interaction and contraindication checks. Resolve any alerts by consulting prescriber notes or adjusting therapy. Next, choose the dispensing unit and package type, then generate a label preview. If insurance applies, submit the claim now and accept any adjudication. You finalize by preparing the medication. Weigh, count, or measure the dose, then record lot number and expiration into the dispense log. Once the label is affixed, counsel the patient on use, side effects, and storage, then obtain electronic or paper signature and mark the prescription complete. If something goes wrong, say a mismatched label or failed claim, roll back the transaction, review the audit trail for the last changes, correct the data, and contact support or the prescriber if you cannot resolve the discrepancy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.